Hi, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the video, guys. To all my viewers out there, I personally welcome you to another video regarding Telegram. With this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create your very own Telegram channel. So what can we use Telegram channel for? What is the purpose? And why am I making a Telegram channel? So, before we get started, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen, a pencil that would do anything to take down notes to. Okay, give me a second here. I'm just gonna check my recording, make sure everything's good. Sorry for that. Anyway, if you have your pen, paper, pencil, whatever you have there, we're good to go. If you're using your PC, Mac, or laptop, or even your tablet, you can open your notepads or note application to take down notes. Some of the things that I'm about to say here are very important, especially for every aspiring e-commerce officer, for every aspiring social media manager. This is for you, okay? So please open any browser you have. I'm currently using Microsoft Edge right now. If you want to use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, I'm not sure if it's still there though, but if you want to use that, Safari, Bing, Opera Mini or Opera, it's really up to you guys. There is no problem with that. As long as you have access to the internet, of course. Okay? So please open Telegram from here on out. Open your new tab. Sorry, I have Telegram ready here. So for example, I have Telegram right here, and as you can see, I already have a channel created, a sample channel. Before I teach you on how to create a channel, I'm gonna show you what is Telegram. So this is the landing page of Telegram. Right now, I can click on night mode, enabled or off night mode right here. I can change my settings. I can also change my feature right here, animation. I can lessen it somewhat. It's really up to you guys. Just like any messenger app or WhatsApp Viber app, something like that. Okay then. Now, I'm going to teach you now how to create a channel. So the first thing you want to do is click this pencil icon right here. Let me just remove this channel real quickly so we won't have any problem. So click that channel right there. As you can see, it's simple as pie. You can see this new channel right here. You can click on that one. Choose whatever or whoever you want to join. I'm gonna join my friend right here. Now let's just say channel name is sample. Under sample channel right here. However, personal suggestion for you guys, if you want to gain subscribers or you want to gain members on your channel, I sincerely suggest put your link here, your Facebook link, your TikTok link, whatever social media platform you have on the description section right here. But again, that's up to you guys, whatever you want to do. This is your channel. So I'm just here to teach you how to create it one. So name there, description right here, and then you can edit a photo here, add the photo right there. Just click on it and upload the photo or profile photo of your channel that you like. Once you're done, click on create channel right there, and easy as 1, 2, 3, you have a channel. So with this one, this is your channel right now. You can check it by clicking the name right there. You can check the members, you can check the admin, and actually I'm the admin on this one. This is the invite link. Once you click on it, it will be copied automatically. You don't have to control C. To check if you copied it, open your notepad, control V. Let's check if it's the same. T.me plus Z. Perfect. So easy as that, I have created a channel for you now. To check the link, just click on it, left click. You don't have to do anything. Or right click and then copy. It's really up to you guys. So from here now, you can enable the notifications or no. It's just like muting a channel on Discord or Messenger. You can check the media files right here. As you can see, it's still empty right now because this is a new channel. It's just a sample channel. Now, the thing I want to highlight here is if you click your own logo right there, you'll be directed on Save Messages. If you click on this Edit Channel right here, you'll see the discussion, the channel type. Of course, I suggest go on Public to gain more subscribers. Okay? You can also edit the restrict saving content or allow saving content for all of those e-commerce channels that are selling products. Much likely, they're turning their Telegram channel into Shopify or TikTok or Amazon channels. You can do that, guys. It's really not that hard. You can send anything here. You can promote anything on your channel. It's just like think of it as a what do you call that? A connection or an outsourcing channel that you gather everyone in just one box and then just give them promotions, give them your audiences. So we're just enclosing our target audience here as much as we can, and then we're just throwing them promotion here and out and here and there. So we have automatically a fixed number of audiences for our products. So again, here you can click the admin, subscribers, and remove users. Of course, you can delete your channel right here. By the way, guys, if you click on admin here, you'll see I am the only owner. Of course, you can edit my um what do you call this, rights? The what can an admin do? Again, you can add an admin right here, and then you can change whatever this admin can do or not. Okay, you can just click on finish right there. It's pretty user friendly. You don't have to be scared, you don't have to be nervous because this is your first time. I'm gonna take you one step at a time, okay? So right here, let's just click on public to attract more users out there. Click on allow saving content, and then we're good to go. I think it's not going public right here. If you set public link, the other people will have to find your channel. You can use numbers, I see. So we need a few more subscribers to make it public. Anyway, this is just a sample for you guys to start it up. You can either send messages, it's really up to you. Reactions, of course. You can edit it here. You can edit everything here, whatever you like. And by the way, guys, from here on out, you can also edit your photo. If you fail to edit your photo right there, it's no problem at all. And there you go. This is your channel. You can send everything, whatever you want. Now, to give you a bright idea or a brief introduction on what can you send, I joined a Discord channel right here. Let's just say this is my channel, okay? Let's just say this is my own channel. I can see the subscribers right here. I can see whoever view it, how many view it, and so on and so forth. For this specific message, for this specific promotion, 1,200 people have already viewed it. For example, let's just say this specific promotion right here is about a clothes that I'm promoting, that I'm selling. They can click the link right here and they'll be redirected on my Shopify account to claim or buy that specific product. So the thing here, please take note that you can use Telegram to boost your sales, to market your product, to gain more exposure for your product. Okay? It's easy as pie here. You can also check the media on this section. It's really easy, guys, so you don't have to be afraid on exploring. As I've always said, if you're afraid of exploring, you won't have those knowledge that you want, so don't be afraid and just keep on checking. Okay? Let me just check my recording right here if everything is good. So as you can see here, you can also check the time that was sent, exactly the date. If you want to see what date this exact photo was sent, for example, you don't see the October 26 right here, just hover your mouse on the time and leave it right there. It will automatically show you the time and date. Again, you can also click here. This is what I'm talking about earlier. I can add any link I want. For example, this is a product that I want to buy, and I'm just going to click this link right here. It will automatically send me to my Shopify or whatever link is that to purchase that product that I'm selling. Okay? So basically that is how a Telegram channel works. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.